Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Besam 1008400BK. This is an extension kit, a 70mm extension kit. It's okay, so a tour of the products. You've got this black oxide Allen drive machine bolt. I don't know the thread type. I'm really thinking it's metric, being Besam, being a we can discover that thread type if you need to. If you want to know that thread type, reach out to us and we'll contact Besam, and we'll go over visual properties of the material as we tour through. So about 5 1/16 overall length. My caliper tells me that the OD of the threaded portion is 0.394 on the OD of the threads. Okay, you're going to get 2 extensions themselves. Let's take a dimension of each. 70mm should be about, I don't know, 2 13/16 maybe. 70 divided by 25.4. Kid's pretty good. 2.776 basically. 2 3/4. The length of the first unit, 2 inch. Okay, so that's your 2 inch. And this is going to be your 0.75. And that's your just heavy on 3/4. So that's your 70mm extension by stacking the 2 of these together. Obviously your bolt is going to run through up into the shaft. You're going to have these snap together sleeve components. You'll have 2 male and 2 female. I guess I'm calling the male this portion and then the female this portion, so they will snap together and obviously give you the ability to make that extension look presentable. Now, why would you need an extension? Well, the bottom line is, why would you? You just have a situation where the distance from where the operator is and where the arm has to reside is a greater distance than standard, requiring a longer shaft or extension, so to speak, on the parts. And that's what this is for. I don't sell a 70mm extension very often, but the 3/4 extension is very, very common. And it's really generally because you're just contending with an existing, you've got something that you have to install. It could be a matter of needing to place the operator on the door at such a place where you need a longer rod to drop down to the arm that will probably be installed in the standard location on the door. Now, there is below this video just an old image of the product itself. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Besam products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Now, on the swinger, the swinger from Besam, in terms of extensions, uh, 20mm extension, and that's your 0.7, your 13/16, and then 70mm. Yeah, I suppose if you needed a 50mm, you would order the 70 and just use it. Oh, that ain't going to work because your bolt will be too long. Anyway, where there's a will, there's a way. You could discover the thread type on that bolt and order it 3/4 inch shorter. So, 20mm and 70mm available in aluminum and black finish, and this is obviously black. That link below this video to the manufacturer's page will allow you to pull up not only all of the Besam products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Besam 1008400BK 70mm extension for their swinger doors or any other Besam product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.